Good morning, students. Me, Sampath Singh. Today, I am going to start present continuous. Last lesson, I had taught you present simple, and after that, simple word. Now, today we are starting with present continuous. Recognition of the present continuous is at the end of the sentence. In Hindi it comes रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं. Helping word for this is, am, are. Is for singular subject, am is for I, and are is for plural subject. Now, again the present continuous is divided into four types of sentences. The first type of sentence is affirmative sentence. Pattern of affirmative sentence is subject plus helping verb plus verb first form plus ing plus object. For example, मैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ा रहा हूँ. I, subject I, helping verb with I is am. Teach, teaching English. I am teaching English. Some more example we shall start. For example, वे क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं. they are playing cricket. Some more examples. The birds are chirping in the garden. My mother is knitting sweater. She is cooking food for the guest. We are watching TV serial. These are the example of present continuous affirmative sentence. Now, second type of sentence that is negative sentence. The pattern for negative sentence is subject plus helping verb plus not plus verb first form plus ing plus object. For example, मैं पत्र नहीं लिख रहा हूँ. I am not writing letter. वे गृह कार्य नहीं कर रहे हैं. दे आर नॉट डूइंग होमवर्क. वह तालाब में नहीं तैर रहा है. He is not swimming in the pond. These sentences we have translate sentences Hindi to English. Now I shall write some more examples for you. Directly in English. They are not playing cricket. You are not looking after your sister. We are not eating breakfast today. She is not singing a song now. These are some other examples for the present continuous negative sentences. Now we shall again advance in present continuous third type of sentence, that is interrogative sentence. It is called प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य in Hindi, interrogative sentence. The pattern for interrogative sentence is helping verb plus subject plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus question mark. Example, क्या बाहर वर्षा हो रही है। इज इट रेनिंग आउटसाइड? क्या तुम उदयपुर जा रहे हो? आर यू गोइंग टू उदयपुर? These all sentences are made according to this pattern. First is helping verb or subject you, verb first form go, ing and object Udaipur. Likewise, is she eating food? क्या वह खाना खा रही है? Some more examples for this. I shall write directly in English. Are you helping your classmates? Question mark. Are you cooking lunch for the guest? Is he watching तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा? And are you writing letter to your mother? These sentences, some more examples I wrote for interrogative sentences. So, after this interrogative, now we shall go for interrogative negative sentence, fourth type of question, fourth type of sentence. Interrogative नेगेटिव सेंटेंस, नकारात्मक प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य कॉल्ड इन हिंदी. द पैटर्न फॉर दिस इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस नॉट प्लस वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस आईएनजी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस क्वेश्चन मार्क. So this is the pattern of interrogative sentence, interrogative negative sentence of present continuous. क्या बाहर वर्षा नहीं हो रही है? Is it not raining outside? क्या तुम मुझे सहायता नहीं कर रहे हो? Are you not helping me? क्या वह पत्र नहीं लिख रहा है? Is he not writing a letter? These are the example with Hindi. So, according to the pattern, helping verb, subject, not, verb first form, ing and object. I shall directly write some more example in English. Just see and write. Are you not reading newspapers daily? Is she not doing her homework regularly? Are they not winning cricket match today? Is he not singing a song? Students, today I have told you about present continuous. I told you helping verb, then I told you recognition and pattern of all the 4 types of sentences: affirmative sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence and interrogative negative sentence. After that, then in the next class I shall teach you the simple word of present continuous. The simple word of present continuous.